Welcome to Herb Nerd TV. Today, we're tackling a topic that's been stirring up debate for years: artificial sweeteners versus natural sugars. With so many conflicting opinions and studies out there, it's hard to know which one is truly better, or worse, for your health. Are artificial sweeteners a safe alternative to sugar, or do they come with hidden risks? Is natural sugar as innocent as it sounds, or is it contributing to health issues like obesity and diabetes? Let's dive into the science to compare the health impacts of both and help you make an informed decision. Understanding artificial sweeteners and natural sugars. Artificial sweeteners are synthetic sugar substitutes that provide a sweet taste without the calories. Common examples include aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, and acesulfame potassium. They're found in diet sodas, sugar-free candies, and many light or zero-calorie products. Natural sugars refer to sugars found naturally in foods like fruits, fructose, dairy products, lactose, and also include table sugar, sucrose, which is derived from sugarcane or sugar beets. Honey, maple syrup, and agave nectar are also considered natural sweeteners. Metabolic effects. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners are non-nutritive, meaning they provide little to no calories because the body cannot fully metabolize them. This has led many to believe they are a healthier option for weight management. However, some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners may disrupt metabolic processes. Research published in Nature found that artificial sweeteners could alter the gut microbiota, leading to glucose intolerance, a precursor to diabetes. Another study in cell metabolism indicated that sucralose might affect the brain's response to sugar, potentially increasing appetite and cravings. Natural sugars. Natural sugars are nutritive, providing about 4 calories per gram. When consumed, they are metabolized by the body for energy. However, excessive intake can lead to spikes in blood glucose levels, prompting the pancreas to release insulin. Over time, this can contribute to insulin resistance and the development of type 2 diabetes. Fructose, in particular, is metabolized in the liver and can contribute to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease when consumed in excess, especially from high fructose corn syrup found in many processed foods. Impact on weight management. Artificial sweeteners. At first glance, artificial sweeteners seem ideal for weight loss due to their low calorie content. However, the evidence is mixed. A review in the Canadian Medical Association Journal found that routine consumption of artificial sweeteners was associated with increases in BMI and waist circumference. Some theories suggest that artificial sweeteners may confuse the body's ability to regulate calorie intake, leading to overconsumption of calories later on. Natural sugars. High intake of natural sugars can contribute to weight gain due to their caloric content. Sugary foods and beverages are often energy-dense but nutrient-poor, leading to increased calorie intake without satisfying hunger. This can result in an energy imbalance and weight gain over time. Blood glucose and diabetes. Artificial sweeteners. Because artificial sweeteners don't raise blood glucose levels directly, they're often recommended for people with diabetes. However, as mentioned earlier, their potential impact on gut microbiota and insulin sensitivity raises questions. Some studies suggest that they might indirectly contribute to metabolic disorders. Natural sugars. Natural sugars cause a direct increase in blood glucose levels, which can be problematic for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. Monitoring and limiting intake of natural sugars is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. Potential health risks. Artificial sweeteners. Cancer risk. Early studies in the 1970s linked saccharin to bladder cancer in rats, causing widespread concern. However, extensive research, including studies by the National Cancer Institute, has found no clear evidence that approved artificial sweeteners cause cancer in humans. Gut health. As previously noted, artificial sweeteners may alter gut microbiota, potentially leading to digestive issues and metabolic changes. Neurological effects. Some people report headaches or dizziness after consuming aspartame, though scientific evidence is limited. Natural sugars. Dental health. Natural sugars can contribute to tooth decay by feeding harmful bacteria in the mouth. Inflammation. High sugar intake is associated with increased markers of inflammation, which is linked to various chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Addiction potential. Sugar can stimulate the release of dopamine, leading to cravings and potentially addictive eating behaviors. Current scientific consensus: the scientific community generally agrees that moderation is key for both artificial sweeteners and natural sugars. Here's what major health organizations recommend. The American Heart Association, AHA, suggests limiting added sugars to no more than 25 grams per day for women and 36 grams per day for men. Regarding artificial sweeteners, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has established acceptable daily intakes, ADIs, for each approved sweetener, which are amounts considered safe to consume daily over a lifetime. So, which is worse for your health? The answer isn't black and white. Both artificial sweeteners and natural sugars have potential drawbacks. Artificial sweeteners may have unintended metabolic effects and could potentially lead to weight gain and glucose intolerance in some individuals. Natural sugars, when consumed in excess, contribute to weight gain, increased risk of type 2 diabetes, and other health issues. Individual factors matter. Health status. People with diabetes may need to be more cautious with natural sugars, while also being aware of the potential effects of artificial sweeteners. Gut sensitivity. Those with gut health issues may want to avoid artificial sweeteners that could disrupt their microbiome. Dietary habits. Overall diet quality plays a significant role. A diet high in whole foods with minimal processed sugars or artificial additives is generally recommended. Conclusion: both artificial sweeteners and natural sugars have pros and cons. The key is to consume both in moderation and focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods. If you choose to use sweeteners, consider natural options like stevia or monk fruit extract, which have fewer reported side effects. Remember, it's not just about swapping sugar for artificial sweeteners but about reducing overall sweetness cravings and promoting healthier eating habits. Thanks for watching Herb Nerd TV. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more science-based insights into nutrition and health. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you prefer natural sugars, artificial sweeteners, or have you cut out both? We'd love to hear your experiences. Stay healthy and see you next time.